Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? Okay, in this video, I just want to reveal you another website which is gonna help you guys making small, tiny amount of money. I know nowadays everybody has been asking on my comments saying that how to make money online, like without investment, without even if it is small amount. I just wanted to do as a part-time job. I want to do as a freelance job or work from home jobs. I don't really do much of such videos. Reason is I know these videos like these kind of websites don't give you much money. But end of the day, now in this current situation with this pandemic going on, everybody looking for some kind of money flowing. Being in the home without the job, all those issues. I mean, I know when I started, this happened to me, like without having money, without having investment, I have to do such jobs like minor jobs online in order to get some money and then invest on a bigger course or bigger like way to in a different way into learn and do a different style of affiliate marketing. What I'm teaching you is place where it is genuine. It is like places where which is really trusted websites which will pay you on time, but the amount of money which you're going to get is very little. But end of the day, I know $1 means a lot for the people who are in the third world countries, not compared to this might not be good in for people who are in US or Europe. For them $1 is nothing, but this $1 is a big amount for people who are in the Middle East, or people are living in India, or people in Africa. It's a big amount, right? So anyway, I just wanted to reveal you today because let me move the screen here. If you see in these videos here, people have been commenting on these videos which I talked about how to make, like $10, $20 and all those stuffs, which is like, I wanted to give you only those websites which are genuine. There are humpty number of places online which says make money, but like not all of them are genuine. You know what I mean? Like they don't pay you well, or you have issues with that. So this is the reason I just wanted to reveal you one more website today, which is like when I started online, making money online in the early days, I used to try all those jobs, we call this as micro jobs. Okay, if you have been on to my, if you're first time watching this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you'll get notified with such videos where I show how to make money online. Okay, so that's what it is. Let me show you. See this. These are all like a couple of websites I revealed in these videos. I'm just going to reveal you one of the top. If here it is, okay, Amazon MTurk, okay, mturk.com. Okay, that's I'll leave a link below if you can't guess it. Amazon MTurk. This is like very few people know about this website. Okay, this is the place where you can earn money, tiny amounts of money, but they are Amazon sister concern. This is actually, so they pay you very like on time and all those stuff. Okay, so I'm not going to tell about how to go register all the stuff. There's like humpty number of videos online. But when you're a newbie, when you're a beginner, when you wanted to make money online, you might not know these websites exist. Okay, so these are the places where we as many entrepreneurs, when they started, online people, when they started, they go here and this is where they started. It's like tiny amounts of money, but when you add up, it will make up like a good chunk of money for your daily expenses. So that's the whole concept of it. Whether you are in India, whether in UAE, whether you are throughout the world, you can do this. Okay, that's how it is. If you see this one, once you come in an Amazon marketer, okay, see .turk, I'll leave a link below. Okay, it's basically the site is Amazon MTurk worker. Okay, but the website is called mturk.com. I'll leave a link below properly. But when you are here in this place here, if you in any way, always remember this is like for people who are newbies, who are beginners, who wanted to do freelance job, who wanted to do part-time jobs or work from home jobs. There are lots of jobs if you see online, they say data entry, or it's some are genuine, some are not genuine. Okay, so that's where the people get scammed. They I don't know, they say to invest some money, they do. Of course, there are websites that are genuine. Even if you invest money, it is genuine. Okay, there are places where even if you invest, like you lose the money. Okay, so be careful on that. But this is genuine. It's been there for ages. So when you come in, there are two things you will face actually. One is whether you wanted to give work for these people or you want to join as a worker. So setting up is completely easy. Same like you just add your details and stuff, and you add your phone number. Make sure you genuinely add your number, and a genuine, like a true website, because they will send you the verification on your on the proper website. Let's make sure that to be done. If you really wanted to go, just go search Google and YouTube how to register for MTurk. It's simple, easy. But once you are in here, you see, I just wanted to go through the core of it, rather than just showing you all those basic things. I'm sure you should be able to do it, right, guys? I mean, it's just a general setting up of Amazon MTurk. So when you're here, if you see here these kind of jobs, say market search, see that amount reward 0.05, 0.10, 0.02. I know it is tiny, guys. It is tiny, but for many, this is a lot. Okay, so when you do, like, you can think about doing like earning like around $10 or $20 per day. In that sense, okay, that's the idea behind today's video. So which will gonna help you see this some kind of jobs here. But this is why you see qualify. You need to press it and then qualify whether you are eligible or not. That's one thing. The other trick is go here at the top, filter. You go and choose I am qualified to work on. Just click here and then apply. So what does it do is it will show you those ones which are ready to do. So accept and work. So once you're registered, it will they will verify you to join for MTurk. That's very important. So that's why I told you, make sure you use that proper email and proper phone number. And then because they give you that OTO and stuff, one-time password. So once you are there, choose this option so that you're good to go fast. I wouldn't really go for this least amount, unless otherwise you're already experienced person. Add some like 0.10, 0.30 or something. If not, leave it to the basic one, because reason is you don't want to limit yourself with only little jobs. So you try to do as much jobs as possible. Okay, that's the idea behind today. You want to get more money, you do more jobs. So that's the whole concept of it. As I said, if you see these jobs, if you see this, what they do is check ranking and page copy. Type in information as instructor as mobile. If you go in here, it will give all information. If you just say collect data about school district, just go here. So it will say the time allotted is 5 minutes. It expires in 4 days. Review the given list information and request it. So apply and work. And then if you just go market, see this, let's see, post pointing and reference. I have no idea what is that. Find all advertisers in this text, okay, if any. Okay, so time is 20 minutes. In 7 days it expires. You will review and podcast description and write out all the companies that explain. Okay, like as I said, this is like, if you I will try to do a series of videos where I planned it actually. The reason is people have started asking, give me some more websites. I have given like 2 or 3 websites in my previous videos where which is like, watch YouTube videos and make money. Like you just need to watch video, or you just go like and share those kind of, like a low end jobs, but that's similar amount of payment. Actually, that is for people who want to do rank the videos to the top. That is kind of video jobs you do. So this is like a proper jobs, like a freelance jobs, you can say. So that's what it is. You can see pull top 10 comments from the top 10 posts. Okay, that's interesting. 60-minute job. Okay, time over 60 minutes. Please scrape the top 10 comments. Okay, let's see. Let's do a preview of it. Let's see. Okay, you must accept it, request it before. Okay, I think you might not allow me to do it. Okay, accept first. I think I'm not qualified yet, so continue. Okay. So the reason is this is like I haven't done like long. This is like a new just for the video purpose. Let me move the screen here. Just for the video purpose, I created a new account to show you guys, because like my old, the one which I used to do long back, it's just gone. I mean, it's been ages since I have done such jobs. But as I said, this is for people who are genuine, like who want some money, like some money coming in, rather than waiting for for your new job, or for you're waiting to do something as a part-time job. Only for those people who really wanted to have some income coming in, not a big amount. If that's what I wanted to show. The reason is even with other videos, the amount is going to be maximum. You might be getting like $10, $20 per month if you do like 4-5 hours, at least 4-5 hours a job. It's all about time or money, guys. Okay, always remember that. Okay, all these kind of jobs are all like, if I ask me to do now, I will not do. Okay, because I know the ones which, like, better ways to make money. Okay, so I don't want to tell that you straight away you can't read. The reason is, once you're already, like, once you start making money, that you will get the taste of it, and then you want to make more and more money, right? Then you will look for more and more ways. That is what it is. Okay, I'll leave a link below, genuinely, honestly, what I'm doing, because that's like, there are a few websites which are like, I'm not doing such low-end jobs. I do like, which earns me like at least $100 or $500 or $1,000. Okay, reason is, I'm not saying I straight away jumped onto this. I was doing such kind of jobs only when I started, and then that's how I grown it. And nowadays I look for jobs which makes me at least $50, $100 or $500, $1,000. Reason, that's how you will grow as well. Okay, because you will not be doing this for long. Once you start making money, you will know the ways and means, like, you will start searching how to make money more online, and then you will do it. I'll leave a link below what I'm doing. That's the place where I earn money a lot. So I'll leave a link below. You can check it out. But this is for people who are looking for making like tiny amounts of money as a freelance job or a part-time job, which is going to be like time consuming. That's what it is. But that's like, but the site which I'm recommending is genuine. Okay, Amazon MTurk is like, it's for companies who give tiny amount job. These are companies which are like multinational companies who want people to go and see their website, who want to go and see research on the website, who want to do a launch of the product. They want to give some job. These are the people who are giving jobs for people like us, like, and you, who wanted to do, like, want to earn some little money by doing those tiny tasks. That's what it is. We call it as micro workers. Okay, that's it, guys. So let me move the screen. So as I said, the website, I'll leave a link below, Amazon MTurk. That's the mechanical turk. It's called MTurk. Okay, this site has been for long. So the genuine, authenticity, like we call it as, it's perfect. Because if you go online, there are lots and lots of ways to make money, but many are fake, or many are like don't pay you on time, or like so many issues are there. So I want to make sure I show you those websites which really makes you money. It might be tiny, but as I said, that's how it starts. And as you grow, you can always figure it out. You can check out my YouTube channels. There are lots of places I have recommended different ways to make money. And also I'll leave a link below, which is my top one, which is the place where I hang out a lot, which I promote a lot. That's where the big money is. But that's not the aim of it. The aim is for you guys who are first a newbie, who want to make like a little bit of $10, $20, $30. I know people who make even $50, $100 with this. They work like from morning 9 to 9. You know what I mean? They take this as a full-time job. So if you're going to do like that, you're going to get more and more like money. Okay, so but it's time consuming, guys. That's where it is. You will figure it out once you start making some money. You can invest that money on a different course, and then you can learn from that. You can learn Facebook ads. You can learn whatever you're good at. Funnel building. Learn something, a skill, and then from there you can move on and start making some money out of it. That's it, guys. That's the idea behind today's video, is how to make like $10, $20. It all depends upon how much time, your effort you can put. But the site which I recommend is like a top site, which is there for, has been there for ages. That's so you can genuinely start registering it and start working on it. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for your video. Sorry, thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.